Find low competition keywords for blogging free. In today's video, I am going to show you another free tool you can use to get low competition keywords for your new website, right? If you are just joining this blogging for beginners series, I highly recommend you watch the previous trainings so that you can follow up with this particular video, right? So after watching this particular video, I will leave the link to the playlists for the previous videos in the video description so that you can go ahead and watch the previous videos so that you can follow along with this blogging for beginners series, right? Now let me go straight and show you another free tool you can use to do your keyword research and get low competition keywords, profitable keywords for your website. Now go over to your browser and type in KWFINDER. This is it here, KWFINDER. So once you type in this, once you type in the name, you load it, right? So this is the website here, KWFINDER. That is mangroves, right? Mangroves. So click on it. Once you click it, go ahead and sign up on this too, right? Sign up on this website. I have signed up with all my email address, right? So I'm not going to register again. So but in your own case, just go ahead and register on this website, right? This is create a free account. Once you come here, you click create a free account. Once you create your account and verify your email address, you are going to use this SEO tool completely free for 10 days, right? So within this space of 10 days, you can use this particular tool to get a lot of low competition keywords for your website, right? As you can see here, it says find long tail keywords with low SEO difficulty, right? So this tool is very powerful, guys. It is very powerful. If you don't have the money to buy a paid tool, you can use this totally for free for 10 days, right? So what you're going to do right here is this. Once you have signed up on this particular SEO tool, just come here. As you can see, enter keyword, right? So you can enter your keyword here and start making your keyword research, right? Then if you want to target any country, you click on this drop down, right? Let me show you what I mean. If you click on this drop down, you can type in Nigeria if you want to target Nigeria, right? So this is Nigeria. So if you want to target US, you type it there. If you want to target any language, you can just leave it to any language, right? So once you have entered this, you hit find keywords, right? Once you click find keywords, it is going to give you keyword suggestions and you will be able to pick low competition keywords from this too, right? If you want to know the keywords that are low competition on this website, they have green signs, right? They have green signs and they are going to also tell you that the keyword is very easy to rank for, right? So guys, this is a powerful tool. Don't ignore this, right? Don't ignore this. Use it totally for free for 10 days, and within the space of that 10 days, you will gather lots and lots of keywords you can use to start your website, right? You can steal your competitors' keywords with this tool, right? You can go over here, you can click by domain, right? If you want to get keyword from another website, you can enter that particular website right here, right? So you have to click by domain. Once you click by domain, you enter that person's website right here. Once you enter it right here, as you can see, enter domain or URL. Once you enter it here, you can select any country you want or just leave it like this. Then you click find keywords, right? Once you click find keywords, this tool is going to analyze that website and give you low competition keywords on that particular website. So I hope this video is helpful, right? If you enjoyed this video, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be the first to get notified by YouTube. Before I end this video, I highly recommend you watch the previous videos, right? So to watch the previous videos, watch this playlist on the screen right now. The playlist contains all the previous videos, right? So watch them step by step so that you can follow up with this blogging for beginners series. So see you in my next video.